Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rockstar on acoustic guitar. We'll start by identifying the four main chords you'll need: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These are fundamental for the entire song. Focus on getting your finger positions correct for each one, ensuring clear notes. Then, practice transitioning smoothly between them. This foundational step is crucial for building your muscle memory and preparing for the full song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which gives the song its driving feel. The main rhythm is a consistent down-down-up-up-down-up motion. Start slowly, focusing on a steady hand and even strokes. Pay close attention to the accents and dynamics, ensuring some strums are slightly stronger than others. Practice this pattern repeatedly with each chord until it feels natural and flows effortlessly. Consistency is key here. If you prefer a traditional approach, you can apply offline. Begin by visiting your area's Tahsildar office to collect an application form. Fill it out completely and submit it along with all the necessary documents. A Tahsildar will then review your request for approval. Following this, a dedicated survey officer will conduct a physical survey of your land, ensuring accurate measurements and boundaries are recorded for your official sketch. To truly master Rockstar, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, ensuring accuracy with both chords and strumming. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythm. Also, listen to the original song frequently to internalize its feel and nuances. With dedicated practice, you'll be playing this popular track confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.